Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. On a 30 MW plant, the gap between 200 W on the datasheet and 130 W in the field is not a rounding error. It is a six-figure revenue leak if you let it slide. If you sign maintenance agreements or report IRR off spec sheets, that DRET is where deals get repriced. This video is about turning that gap into a quantified loss stack, not hand-waving underperformance. Manufacturers quote STC, but your plant lives at NOSTA with dust, angle error, thermal coefficients, and clipping. ClearSpot's D-Rate agent ingests drone, SCADA, and weather data, then builds a site reality baseline. You do not get it looks low. You get 3 buckets with a number on each: resource loss, design loss, and avoidable operational loss. A 4% avoidable loss on a 50 MW portfolio is not noise. It is a line you bring to the investment committee. An engineer can live in CSV hell for 2 days, or let the agent cluster strings against expected D-rate bands and hand over a prioritized anomaly list. The agent does the grind, and humans decide what to fix. We use a simple internal checklist you can steal, covering rated versus real output, temperature loss, string variance, soiling index, and clipping or curtailment. The exact 5-step checklist and a sample D-rate report sit at the top of this episode's resources. If you want that pack wired into your own portfolio, go to the ClearSpot demo page and request the rated versus real output resource for this video. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.